Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you that know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. So today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents of whether you should pick this wig up. Let's go.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y Paraguayas, Uruguayas y Colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor. Mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición. Mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Por fin el fin de semana, yo me preparo para salir con calma, emocionado, bien perfumado, pa' que las mujeres me vean presentado. Son las latinas la octava maravilla, brillan y con sus besos todo lo hacen vibrar. Puerto Rico, Belice, Bolivia y Panamá, bien tú sabes que te van a conquistar. En Costa Rica, Honduras y aún hay más, Italia, Francia, Brasil y Portugal. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Oh, su ritmo es mi pasión. Y este flow va pa' todas las latinas que le dan al mundo todo su calor. But keep it low, que te bailan despacito y te derriten just al ritmo de la sangre les hierve y se pone caliente. Mire que se siente, chiquita no respondo, no me tiente. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Oh, su ritmo es mi pasión.
Now that you have watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit that I'll be reviewing today is Outre Elina. I have Elina in the color DRFF4 Butter Toast. Elina has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. She does come with a 5-inch deep part. She is a middle part. She is pre-plucked. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She has HG transparent lace and she's 16 inches. So this is what the stock card looks like. Pretty simple. It already came with the majority of the curls that you see right here. What I rate Elina, I would give my girl Elina a 10. She is the perfect length. She has layers. She's the perfect color for me. And she reminds me of her sister. So she's like a nice corporate America wig. Interview, day at the office. That's what she reminds me of. She did look a little wiggy to me, so I went ahead and used some dry shampoo to take away some of that wig shine. Does she have flyaways? Nope. Does she tangle? Just a little bit, not a whole lot, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. Oh, okay, now she's gonna embarrass me on camera. Girl, it be the ones you like. But what was I about to say about Elina? I really love her. Besides the little snag, she is big and friendly. There is a lot of space up in this joint. Look at this. You see? A lot of space. She's big and friendly. Is she big and friendly? I would say so, because I didn't necessarily lay her down per se. I just did the baby ears. So if you don't want to do the whole laying down, lay your glue down, lay it to the whatever y'all say, you don't gotta do this with this joint. Connect the 2 adjustable straps, lay down some baby ears, you're ready to go. So just because it has a little bit of tangles, I'll take off 0.5. So I give my girl Elina 9.5. So if I said 10 earlier, I'll take it back because she tried to embarrass me on camera, and that's not good. You don't embarrass Auntie TT in her own video. You just don't do that. So yeah, if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and like the video, share the video, and let me know down in the comments what do you think about this color. I don't think I ever reviewed a color like that. I may have, I don't know, I don't remember. But the color again is DRFF4 Butter Toast. I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description to everything that I'm wearing, including this gorgeous dress and the wig, so you could purchase it. And I'll see you in the next wig. Bye.